Younger Khamri, at the outset, on behalf of Rong Mimong of Sikkim, Rinjong, I extend my deep gratitude to Rongling Society for inviting me in this webinar and for holding this, I should say, historic and landmark decision, because Lipcha calendar is one of the areas where we hardly seen there were no debate, no discussion on this Lipcha calendar, and Lipcha calendar is still needs further discussion and further interaction. Well, coming to the point, uh, my presentation would be simply a sharing on what I have collected from the so-called the Lipcha Bongting, Lipcha senior knowledgeable person in the village. This is not based on kind of the historical kind of background or genesis. This is purely based on the kind of interview and the interaction and whatever I've seen, whatever I have learned from senior and our elders. So this is small presentation. Well, with regard to the concept of the idea of how the 12-year cycle, the animal science has been adopted in Lepcha culture, that has been covered by the previous speaker, Dennis Lepun. So once again, I'll reshare how this the 12-year cycle, what it means to Lepchas. With Lipcha terminology, see the details of the 12-year cycle has been covered already. Yeah, this is about how the 12-year cycles are adopted in the Lipcha calendar. 12-year cycle, right? Number one most that we call Kuloknam, Longnam, Sothongnam, Kumthiongnam, Sedernam, Bunam, Unnam, Luknam, Sehunam, Hignam, Kujunam, and Monnam. With this 12-year cycle, 5 important elements are very important, which are very much incorporated with this link with 12-year cycle. That is called, in Lipcha, we call it Namkor Kham. First one is Wood, Kung, Mi, Fat, Punjing, and Ung. This is very important, and without knowing your 5 elements, again, the counting of your Kuloknam Longnam will remain incomplete. I'll share few characteristics of the animal science. Like this is what exactly I have collected from the knowledgeable Bongthings and the knowledgeable persons in our society. The biggest, the saddest side of our so-called the repository, our wrens in the village, we have a strong legacy of not sharing the information. This is one of the area like we need to explore, because not sharing the information means in the event of death of a knowledgeable person in the village, we are losing this important, very, very important repository of knowledge of our community. Well, coming to the characteristics of each and every sign, animal sign. So for instance, Kuloknam. Kuloknam basically is intelligent, hardworking, creative, selfish, good in dealing with wealth, money, and honest. And with regard to Longnam, their character is loyal, intelligent, ambitious, capable leaders, diplomatic, very importantly, very interestingly, delay in marriage, and energetic, of course. And Sothongnam, strong sense of supremacy, self-confident, arrogant and proud, frank, outspoken. For Kumthiongnam, compassionate, cunning, lazy, egoistic, jealous, intelligent, and fun-loving. For Sadernam, kind-hearted, disciplined, frank, honest, sensitive, talk loudly, and of course helpful. For Bunam, clever, egoistic, selfish, very ambitious, wise, and attractive. For Unnam, hardworking, frank, listen to others, work first, get hurt easily, never trust others. For Luknam, very talkative, very slow, simple, make quick decisions, and of course romantic. And for Suhunam, sharp-minded, clever, love to travel, ability to read the situation, and present gain. For Iknam, fond of music, powerful speaker, generous, loves sports. And for Kulognam, ambitious, Kujunam, ambitious, nervous, aggressive, selfish, and kind-hearted. And of course, the Monam is good-looking and very attractive. And for the names of the months, which is very, very important, we can see the Lepcha terminology. For January, we call Kernitnyom. For February, we call Kursong. Similarly, for March, Thon. April, Sum. May, Namcham. June, July, Numkum. August, Purvim. September, Glue. October, It. November, Ra. And December is Mar. Very interesting thing about this, the name of the month, it is based on purely the environment, the nature. One Sine Bongting is of the opinion that this 12-month name, it is derived from varieties of plants and trees found in our surroundings. Kernit is nothing but it is, as per the Bongting, it is a name of a tree. Kursong, again, it's a name of tree. Thorn is also a name of a tree, which is very, very important. And if you go to village, and even till today, if you interact with our village farmers, you ask the sowing, harvesting, and various seasons of agriculture pattern, they rely on the flowering of a particular tree or the shooting of a plant. That's how our people still rely on the nature for their various activities of the agriculture. And the next slide is, this is very, very important. Once we are looking forward for a partner in the sense can be a marriage partner, or can be a business partner, or can be any partner. These signs are very, very important. For instance, Lognam, the favorable partner would be Sadir and the Sahu, the dragon and the monkey. And there are, of course, unfavorable partner too. So for instance, for mouse, the unfavorable partners are horse, eagle, heek, Sadev, and Kuju. And for ox, snake and heek are the favorable partners. Sheep, dog, dragon, and pig are considered as unfavorable partner. Similarly, for tiger, horse and dog are the favorable partner, and monkey, snake, pig, dragon are unfavorable partner. Similarly, for eagle, sheep and pig are the favorable partner. Heek, a hen, horse, mouse, snake, and ox are unfavorable partner. For dragon, mouse and monkey are favorable. Dog, sheep, ox, tiger, and horse are unfavorable. For snake, Tongnam or ox is the favorable, and for unfavorable, pig, monkey, tiger, and sheep are unfavorable for Bunam or snake. For horse, tiger and dog are favorable. Mouse, eagle, hen, and dragon are unfavorable for snake. For horse, for sheep, eagle and pig are the favorable partner. Ox, dog, dragon, hen, snake are unfavorable. For monkey, mouse, dragon are favorable. Tiger, pig, snake, dog, and horse are unfavorable. For hignam or hen, ox and snake are favorable. Eagle, mouse, horse, and sheep are unfavorable. For dog, tiger and horse are favorable. And dragon, ox, sheep, and mouse are considered unfavorable. And for pig, eagle and sheep are considered as favorable. Snake, hen, tiger, ox, and monkey are considered as unfavorable partners. One more important aspect is that even these 5 elements, these have their correlations. Sometimes, again, we need to see whenever we think of like any good activity, wood and metal is always unfavorable. Fire and water is always unfavorable. Earth and water is unfavorable. Metal with water is unfavorable. And water with earth is unfavorable. Sometimes what we see is, supposing sometimes what happens, even the matching partner sometimes got landed into a trouble. That is what exactly is happening is even the animal sign vis-a-vis the element also is very, very important. This is what exactly depicted in Lipcha calendar. This is the element cycle, 5 element cycles. Next slide is about the cycle of the year along with the animal signs. And with this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.